Welcome to 1370 Brook Street at Firethorne Apartments. Walking into the entrance, over straight ahead is the door for coats. Separate laundry room, every unit has that. Room to hang up your good stuff once you take it out of the dryer. And this one has the natural brick fireplace. Very nice sized living room. And then a nice private balcony. Again, I think I mentioned it's a wood burning fireplace, but in case I didn't. And let's walk over to the adjacent dining area. Good sized room for a nice table. And right here we have the kitchen with exhaust fan, stove, fridge, and a dishwasher, of course. The door down at the end is a pantry, which people just love to have. Storage down at the end. And now we're looking down towards the dining area. We're going to go out here, take a sharp left down the hall, and this is the first bathroom. Good counter space, tub and shower. And down here in the hall we have the linen closet, of course. A lot of places I know don't have that anymore, but this one certainly does. And then we have the first of the two bedrooms. Good sized closet. And as we exit the first bedroom, walk by the furnace, and we have the master. Really generous size, 12 by 14. Every room is sprinklered. The first door we have here is the walk-in closet, and the second is the master bath, which has a stand-up shower. And we're going to walk out down the hall again, take a quick last look. The fancy phone is for the intercom. They're all secure buildings. And here again we have the dining and the kitchen.